Hi mga Mega! Welcome back to another vlog. Here's me again, your Megang Kanoa, Megs Librado, Megs spelled as Megns. Alright, so how are you? How are you doing mga Megas? This video is a special requested video. Wow! Alright, so this video is primarily intended for students or pupils. Alright. And also, this could be a guide for teachers and future teachers as well. Alright? So, this video, what's all about? This video is all about answering your assessments and evaluations through Google Forms. Alright, so I know most of you there are using Google Forms, but let's try to dig deeper more to it. Ready? Okay, let's start in 3, 2, 1. Google Forms can be accessed through your personal computers, laptop computers, mobile phones, or even your tablet. So you can access Google Forms in any device. Okay, so let's start. So here is an interface of a Google Form. Now let's try to see the parts of it. Alright, so on the topmost part of the Google Form, that is the header of the form. So in this case, there are laboratory apparatuses. So just like in Facebook, it's like the cover photo. Next, under it, it's the form title. So in this case, it's an assessment for science. Now, the title is the first examination or the first periodical examination in Science 2020. Below that, that is the form description. But in this case, the teacher placed the general instructions for the evaluation. Okay, students, do not forget to read the instructions before you answer. Right? And also, for teachers, a tip of advice, please give your students the instructions that they can understand, that is within the range or within the vocabulary or the range of vocabulary that they know, especially for elementary pupils. Under it, there is a text there that is colored with red that says required. And beside that one is an asterisk symbol. It means that required item must be answered. So, if you leave an item which has a red asterisk, you cannot proceed submitting your answers. So, if you see a red asterisk in an item, you must not leave it blank. You must answer it. Alright, so let's proceed to the items. Now, below it, teachers ask contact details or some contact info or the basic information of students. Now, for this case, there is an email address which teacher asks for the students' email address. So, it requires a short answer text. So, type in your email address. After that one, the name of the student, last name, first name, and middle initial. So, you follow that format. So the last name first, and then your first name, and then the middle initial. And then after that, the grade and section, so that the teacher can easily know where the student comes from. Let's proceed now to the items. Again, read the instructions given by your teacher. Now, for the first item, there are circles in the choices, right? So these circles are called radio bullets. So you can click or tap in those bullets. So with the correct answer. On the right side, you can see 1 point. Okay, so that signifies that that item amounts 1 point. So you can easily monitor your progress in your assessment. Test 2. In test 2, you are required to place a short answer text. So whether to choose it is in the instruction, it is useful or harmful. So again, you read the instruction and understand it. So I didn't place an answer. So the item is being highlighted with a red box. So it placed there, or it shows a required question. Okay, so it signifies an error that you must place an answer. Okay, in the third part of the assessment or the evaluation, it's an essay part. So teachers, you are required to set the settings to a longer type of text. So you must place in it not the short answer type of texts, but the longer type of texts. So students can place their paragraphs. Now, teachers, you can also place the rubrics there in your essay part. You can use the snipping tool in your computers, or you can just simply screen capture when you're using your mobile phones, and then you can crop the rubric if you're using a PDF format to view your rubric, and then you can place it there. Easy as 1, 2, 3. And after answering all the assessments, there is a progress bar there that shows page 1 of 1. So it means that you are done answering it. But you can also review your answers after answering. So maybe you can get a perfect score after reviewing it. Alright, now there is a submit button below all the items. Now you must not forget to click the submit there. Okay? Because there could be a time that you are so confident that, oh, I'm done answering, I'm already perfect in my exam. However, after answering all the items, you immediately close the window of your web browser. And what happened? You are shocked because you didn't get a score, and you suddenly remember you didn't click the submit button and immediately close the web browser. So, in order to avoid that to happen, you must click the submit button after you answer your assessment or your test. Alright, so I hope I have shared enough information for you to know about Google Forms. Alright, so good luck in your future assessment, tests, or examination, students and future teachers, and also for teachers in guiding your students. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below, and beside it, it's the notification bell. Kindly click the button for you to be updated for my future uploads. So, God bless everyone. Stay healthy, stay fit. Remember the minimal health protocols mandated by the IATF: wearing of face mask, face shields, and also washing of hands frequently, especially when you touch any object. Alright, and also you may take vitamin C for stronger body, and also vitamins for stronger immune system, and physical distancing away from people to avoid direct contact and transmitting of viruses. Okay, so God bless everyone. Always remember, God is good all the time. Don't forget to smile. See you to my next videos. Bye bye.